Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to create an animated radio button in Figma. So place a square frame on your page, round the corners to create a circle. I've already created one, so I'm going to delete this. Now select your frame 1 and duplicate it. Convert a duplicated circle into a tiny circle. Now place this tiny circle into a massive circle. Select the frame 1 and duplicate it again. Add borders to your circle. You can add borders by selecting stroke. Now fill your tiny circle as well. Now scale your tiny circle into a medium-sized circle. Switch to prototype. Select frame 1 and connect it to frame 2. Select Smart Animate and Ease in Back. Select frame 2 and connect it to frame 1. Do the same for it. Smart Animate and Ease in Back. Now select Play. I'll also add shadow to my duplicated frame, that is a frame 2. Now let's see how it turned out. And there we go, you have an animated video button in Figma. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another Figma tutorial.